Hey y'all, welcome back, welcome back. Glad to be back. A little bit of a hiatus, but I'm back. Of course, you know this channel is all about career, finances, and health. We do it all because all three of those are very important and having the career of your dreams and longevity within that career. So let's get right into the video. So 2020 is upon us, right? We're like knocking on the door of 2020. And I've seen so many people talk about, oh man, 2020 is gonna be my year. I'm gonna take it, by the horns and I'm gonna be successful this year. Last year I made my New Year's resolution and I didn't quite New Year's resolution, but this year, 2020 is mine. Well, you know what, y'all? It's time to get unstuck. A lot of us, what we do is every year, every new year, every time we're embarking upon a new year, we make all these lofty goals and we set New Year's resolutions, and 3 months into it, if that, what happens? We're so far off track, we can't even get back on track, right? So the reason why a lot of us get stuck, we don't move forward or we regress, is because we never had a clear vision in the beginning. The Lord said, without a vision, the people shall perish. And that is true in all aspects of your life. You need a clear vision. You have to get clear on whatever your vision is prior to setting any goals. So in order to do that, something that I do is I do vision journals, and I learned about vision journaling from my coach and mentor, Anna Runyon. Anya's pretty awesome. And so what you do is you take just like a notebook or what have you, and you start visualizing, what is it? What is my goal? I want to get clear on my goals in life, in my business, in my health, in my finances, in my career, what have you. You get clear on that. You write that stuff out. You start putting pictures in there. You put affirmations in there. And affirmations is something that I live by daily. I could not function without my affirmations. And affirmations are just little sayings, and they're positive in nature. Sayings that create positivity and keeps you motivated to keep trucking on. I say my daily affirmations when I get up in the morning. I express gratitude to my Lord and Savior. If you don't believe in the Lord, whomever your higher power is, or your universe, or whomever you want to express gratitude towards, do so. And at my workstation, I have different positive affirmations that I have set up, because we all know work can test the best of us, and I just glance at those and I will say them periodically throughout the day, and you will be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. It really, really does. So that's the first thing you need to do, is get clear on what your vision is. Start journaling in your vision journal, and eventually you can put that onto a vision board. Some people skip the vision journal altogether and go right into a vision board, but I think you should do the vision journal first, because you need to get clear on that vision, and then you can go into the vision board portion of it. There are many things out there. There are groups. I have different lady friends that we do like little group sessions of vision boards. So it's amazing. And one thing, once you get clear on what your vision is, then you can set goals. And the easiest and clearest way, you see a theme here? Clarity is key. The easiest and clearest way to accomplish goals, of course, you need to be very clear. You need to be strategic. You need to be mindful on anything that you do. And one of the ways you can do that is by doing something called SMART goals. I know we all have heard of SMART goals, so use SMART goals to accomplish your goal setting techniques. And what I will do is I will put up in the video what SMART goals are. It's an acronym, and I'll put that up there so that you can see, and you can pause the video, you can screenshot it, whatnot, to keep in your repertoire. Because if I just say it out here, you're not going to be able to retain that information. It's better to do it in a visual setting so that you can keep it, screenshot, download, or whatever you need to do, because I want you to be successful, and me just ramping off stuff, that's not going to do it. We need you to be successful. Most human creatures are visual people. So that's what I want you to do, okay? And that is pretty much it. This is going to be a very, very short video. I just want to talk about ways that you can get unstuck when you're having trouble creating that vision. I'm going to go back a little bit. When you're having trouble creating that vision, you may need to take a walk. You need to clear your head for sure. Take a walk and just start visualizing what you want your life to look like. And then you will gain clarity. What type of, and get very detailed in it. Get very detailed. Yeah, I want a big house. What do you want that house to look like? What do you want the doors? What do you want the interior to look like? What do you want the color? What do you want your landscaping to look like? Oh, I want a fancy car. Okay, what type of fancy car? What color? How many doors on the car? What color is the interior? What year? What model? What make? Etc., etc. You need to get very detailed. You need to feel like you already have that car that you want, or that home that you want, or that dream job that you want. What is a dream job to you? What does your dream job look like? What does it make you feel like? I want you to think about that. It's all about feelings. What does it make you feel like? When you think of your dream job, what type of feelings do you get? And what does that dream job look like? Okay? So when you think about things like that, I want 2020 to truly be your year. And in order for it to truly be your year, you got to make some changes. You got to get out of that rut. You got to get unstuck, and you have to get clear. And I mean clear. Get that clarity. So what I'm doing for you, because I truly want you to make this year, this upcoming year, different from all the other years. I want it to be your year. I want you to win. So what I'm doing is I'm giving away 5 free one-on-one 45-minute sessions with me. I will link that in the description on how you can get that. So the first 5 people that sign up, I will give them a free 45-minute strategy session to talk about getting unstuck, getting clear on your vision and your goals for 2020. And preferably tie it into a career. What do you want different in your career for 2020? Do you want to continue to do the same old mundane things and not be happy and be miserable in your career? You don't have to be. You don't have to be. So let's talk about ways that you're not. Let's truly make this your year. You deserve it. Okay? So thank you for your time. I know this was a short video, but I just really wanted to get on here and just give you a few tidbits, and just wanted to let you know I'm here for you, and be encouraged. Like I said, first 5 free 45-minute session with me, strategy session about careers, about finances, about health. We need to get clear. So it needs to be in those 3 realms of things. We need to get clear for 2020. People are leaving here, and people are leaving here without accomplishing their dreams. Just today, I found out about someone I went to school with passed away. A week before that was somebody else. I'm young. So it's time, people. Get clear on your vision. And accomplish those goals and move forward. You can do it. You got this. 2020 is yours. I'll see you. Bye.